What are the 4 key logo design principles that every professional graphic designer must know in order to create a great logo design in 2023? In today's video, we will go over the 4 fundamental principles of logo design. You may have heard about some of these previously, but do follow along so you can be reminded of how critical they are and to check whether you are doing things correctly in your design process. Learning how to design a logo can sometimes be very difficult. Where do you even begin? This is where logo design principles can come in handy. When you approach logo design with knowledge, experience, and a solid plan, the process becomes easier. If you want to create something amazing, you should understand the principles of graphic design and learn some graphic design basics. After that, decide who your customer is and what you want to tell them. The logo design choices will have a significant impact on how effectively you communicate your message to customers. A logo's purpose is to perfectly represent a brand to an audience while also distinguishing it from others. When someone looks at a logo, they should be able to tell 2 things. That is, whether they want the product and whether they want to buy the product from the company. Having a thorough understanding of these logo design principles will assist you in accomplishing these, so make sure to stick through to the end if you are really ready to change your design game in 2023. The first principle is to keep things simple. Simplicity is what allows a logo to withstand the test of time and makes it replicable and easy to work with. The logo you are designing needs to be as clear and visible as possible, while also reflecting aesthetics and conveying the philosophy of the organization. Talking about simplicity, let's consider the Nike logo, which is nothing more than a monochrome swoosh. It doesn't get any easier than that, does it? This step requires careful consideration of typeface, color schemes, and graphics. Is your logo comprised of multiple overlapping shadings, images, or fonts? For your design, select only a few active elements. A good logo does not have too many elements. Simplicity moves along with excellent spacing. The elements in your logo must be able to breathe in order for the brand to be successful. This will ensure that the logo is able to stand out and communicate clearly to the audience. The next principle is originality. Your logo should be distinctive enough to draw attention and memorable enough to stick in people's minds. Consider all of the memorable logos you have stored in your mind. Google, Facebook, and Apple may be at the top of the list. Perhaps we remember them because we see them all the time, but it's also because they are unique and memorable. All successful logos distinguish themselves from the crowd by being unique, original, and memorable. Your logo must be memorable at first glance and then express trust and dependability in subsequent interactions. Any distinctive logo needs a unique design concept. Creativity meets great ideas and a firm grasp of consumer design at this point in logo creation. As a skilled graphic designer, you can respond to your logo objectives by keeping all of these factors in mind so that you can create something truly unique. Next on the list is adaptability. A logo always has a significant role to play. It will be used on all the company's products, shop signage, digital ads, and other marketing materials. As a result, the logo you create must be versatile and adaptable to land anywhere. Consider all of the places you want to use the logo and make sure it looks good in each one. Having a simple, easily recognizable logo can help with adaptability. Also, a responsive logo is another excellent option to achieve adaptability. Responsive logos are adaptable and can vary in size, complexity, or even color to accommodate and adapt to their surroundings. As a general rule, the logo should be able to work with any color or background. This means it must be visually appealing in black as well as white with no added effects. This is the most basic version of the logo. Is it still distinctive and memorable? Is the company's voice still heard? Scalability is the last principle we are going to talk about. The logo design may appear very tidy and effective when blown up on your desktop screen. However, put that same logo on a conventional business card and see how that works for you. How did that excellent logo you saw on your computer screen become this fuzzy mess? If it has, then there is a need to take scalability important when designing your logos. A scalable logo must make sense, look good, and be legible at any size, whether printed on a tiny pen or a huge outdoor banner. Too much detail in the design will make it difficult to scale down to a small size. You can achieve scalability in your design process by creating your logos in vector format using vector-based graphic design software such as Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Vector files are designed with rescaling in mind, so the logo retains its sharpness even if it's blown up to a large size. There you have it, guys. This was a quick video about the 4 key principles of logo design that every competent graphic designer must know in 2023. These principles should always be in your mind whenever you are designing a logo. This was brought to you by Onyx, and until next time, guys, keep on inspiring your world with creativity.